Do people when you're going across a head and you need to hold it up, you just slap in some a nail like that. Just like that. Another one there to hold my other tile. Make a mark where that's going, so I need to put 2 in there. Like so. And then we're good to go. And then you, like that nail is down a bit, all you do is just put in a wedge it up. Give it a slap. And you're good to go. So I'm a little bit, I should be Wisma taped. What I've got to do is I'm a little bit tight. My cabinet's 750 high, I should be 755. And I'm 748, 750. So I need to just cut through there. When it's all dry, cut through about there, take that much off. I had to cut through there anyway, my cement sheet, but I'll just come down a little bit and it will be good to go. I'm bang on with my length. 1200 is the length of the cabinet, and I'm 1204. I want to be fairly squeezy tight, but allowing a little bit. Then it can just pop in there. A couple of screws and both those studs. That's brilliant. And then I can just silicone around the outside. Whooshka. Home and hose. Good to go. See ya.